Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan steak. We'll explore a straightforward method to craft a delicious plant-based alternative that's both satisfying and easy to prepare. This recipe focuses on achieving a fantastic texture and rich flavor using readily available ingredients. You'll be surprised how simple it is to create a savory, hearty meal that everyone can enjoy. Let's get started on this culinary adventure. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of vital wheat gluten, which is crucial for that steak-like chewiness. Nutritional yeast, approximately 1/4 cup, will infuse a wonderful umami flavor. For the liquid base, have 1 cup of vegetable broth ready, and about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari will add depth and saltiness. Don't forget your favorite spices. First, mix all your dry ingredients in a bowl, ensuring they are well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, forming a dough. Knead this dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it feels firm and elastic. Next, shape your dough into steak-like portions. Steam these for 20 minutes, then pan-fry them in a little oil until beautifully browned on each side. Once your vegan steaks are perfectly cooked, it's time to serve them up. They pair wonderfully with classic sides like creamy mashed potatoes or a medley of roasted seasonal vegetables. A savory mushroom gravy is an excellent addition, enhancing the rich flavors. Garnish with some fresh parsley or thyme for a touch of color and aroma. This hearty, protein-packed meal is sure to be a new favorite at your table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.